I have a stubborn problem that Amazon refuses to solve. Raise your hand if that's you. Right here. Noah, raise your hand, buddy.
2 hands for you.
2 hands. Customers are buying up the entire inventory of one single ASIN, then delaying payment until Amazon finally cancels the order 20 days later. All right. This is definitely the Chinese all over again. I've seen this time and time again. So one potential solution I'll give you, this will actually solve your problem, believe it or not. Go into the inventory section of your Seller Central account, click edit on that given set item, and you can set the limit of what is sold on the item. Maybe it's the word maximum order quantity. Here it is. All right, maximum order quantity. So if you type in 4 right there and hit save, that will prevent them from buying 5. So if somebody's doing this to you, without a doubt, I would put a limitation in there. Even if you put the limit at 20 quantity, that'll protect you from this happening. Really stinks that's happened to you. So great question. I think we just saved you hundreds of dollars, though. Fantastic that we did that. Let's go to your other part. Inventory is released back. Yep. Investigated twice. Amazon doesn't care. And both times reported no violation. And just do it over and over again. Yep. So you got to take it into your own hands here. Maximum order quantity without a doubt. No question there. Limit is set to 2 and they just use multiple buyer accounts. Holy crap. I thought I'd solved this guy's problem, but these guys are sophisticated. Wow. That is not good. This is a Dear Jeff at Amazon.com email if I've ever seen one. This is the kind of scenario where you're getting super attacked. I can't believe that they aren't preventing that. That is so bad. Now I got to think of alternative solutions. Shoot. How about disabling invoicing? How about disabling business accounts? Maybe one of those two might help. Any other ideas, Noah?
Something we did recently, actually on an account, somewhat similar issue, not this severe though, was we made it so that any invoicing that did come through, we got rid of by petitioning to Amazon, the net 30 on it. So they couldn't just hold the inventory up for it until they paid. You can reach out to seller support. Honestly, this is probably, as Steven said, Jeff's situation on getting specifically them to not have a hold on any inventory that is unshipped. That's unlikely to happen, but I've seen it happen once or twice in situations similar. But this is, they're using multiple accounts. That's pretty bad.
Sophisticated Chinese hacking right there.